Hi traders, today is 16th of September 2019. We are now live day trading crude oil market WTI NYMEX October 2019 contract CLV. So in this video, I will show you how I do scalping for US session. Actually, it's the setup, a quick setup for a quick profit between 200 to 450 US dollar every day. So we're just entering the US session. Time now is 9:01 a.m. in the morning, New York time, and from London session today, did manage to get one signal, but then I have declared it cancel during the cancel time around 7:10 a.m. New York time. So suddenly the market did rise quite tremendously. So you can see here I did enter, then at the same time I sent out the cancellation. The market did jump. I didn't manage to escape, but luckily it was a quick profit from one lot position size. So 210 just now during the London session. It was a lucky one. Maybe you guys who follow my live broadcast managed to get in, or maybe you read this one late, so managed to take profit, because it was unfortunate because I'm checking the volume. It was very low just now. It's not really healthy because most of the volume I already traded since the beginning of today's session. So the market did open very high today due to the Saudi, I think a reserve got attacked or something like that. Got attacked by drone by Houthi, if I'm not mistaken. So due to this, the market did make a big move, about $5 to $6, if I'm not mistaken, during the weekend when the market opened today. So as for today, we are still searching for a buy position. I'm still looking for it to go for maybe a bit down and then further up. This on the larger time frame. On the small time frame, maybe we try to scalp this small session. Could be an opportunity for us to go into the market. Okay, let's wait. This is where I'm targeting the price max will be today. Maybe they go further down, but the target is somewhere here 62.25. But this is not counted for my day trade in US session, because in US session we will do a quick uh, immediate exit for all position, because we just want to take around 200 to 400 US dollar every day by using the same setup every day, on and on. So while waiting, let's take a look on the volume. Still but very quite modest volume today. It is no spike, just now also no spike. During London session, the volume much more low, but we already reaching 500,000 based on the CME data. Okay, this is what I meant by the 500,000. So it's quite high actually. Normally we are reaching half million in the mid of US session. So because most of the volume are traded early session when the market open Sunday evening New York time. Okay, I think that's it. So let's wait for our entry. Maybe we'll be in the next few minutes. Okay guys, we just spotted one high volume located somewhere at here 60.90. So let's wait. If the price move a bit, we can see that there's a high volume waiting at 60.90. So this is quite good quality if you are going for a bullish movement. What's wrong with this candle? So let's wait. I will show you the high peak. It's very interesting. This is what I meant. There's a large volume waiting here. 232. This is very large, so there's a high tendency for a market to go for this direction. So the market waiting high at 60.88. I think I have to revise possible stop loss, sorry, TP, and maybe 87. So by the way, this is my live broadcast signal, so you may find it at the description below. There's a link. There's also a free trial for you to test about 9 days without paying anything. So feel free to join in. Maybe you can find it helpful for your trading. So let's go back to the chart. So there's only one high volume waiting at on the higher side. So there's no large volume on the bottom side. So let's wait for any entry signal. So the market make a pullback at this moment at the beginning of a US session, but still I'm bullish on the market unless my trading setup provide a selling signal. Could be this way. I need to be careful. If I go for short, it will be a shorter one, and then price might go further up. Okay, my setup just provide me a short sell position, which is somewhere at 60.18, and then I will go short for around 18 ticks. It will be a quick one. Sorry, somewhere here is the TP target. So in 3 minutes, sorry, in 2 minutes, we will show that this is the short sell position. So I will already prepared with this 16.18 and TP at 60.01 and stop loss around 25 ticks. So I'm still not yet sent, still waiting for another 2 minutes to be confirmed on this short sell signal for US session scalping. Okay, we just confirm this short sell signal at 16.18 from my live broadcast as well. I transmit the signal just a moment ago, and now we are still waiting if the signal got filled, and then we go for the down with the TP at 60.01 about that area. Okay, it looks better now. It's kind of heavy at this moment because I am opening a lot of chart. Okay, market has dropped to 60.24 to 60.23. Our entry is at 16.18. We in the market at 16.18. We in the market. Hopefully the market go quickly to the downsides to our TP area. Looks good at this moment. 2 ticks, 1 ticks. So I need to prepare for my exit just in case. Start to move fast. 6 ticks, 5 ticks. A lot of scalper at this moment. Can tell from the volume movement. So still no high volume waiting. From the screening of the volume, we cannot see any interesting volume waiting at this moment on the downside. Okay, looks good. 7 ticks, 6 ticks. We still have more time. Okay, 10 ticks. Still waiting for the market to go burst to the downside. Already break to the nearest low just now, and if price reverse back, then I need to be more careful on this trade. Okay, no good. Reversal. Oh, it's coming. We are about not really impressive. 7.66 from our entry point. Okay, next candle appeared. By the way, this is time frame 5-minute chart. So just to ensure that you guys keep following me up. There's still large volume waiting at so no large volume, only quite high at 60.00. Okay, now it creates immediate a new low somewhere here. So let's hope that this candle break further down and can create opportunity for us to close our positions. Maybe I can add one more position. So let's wait patiently. So time now is 9:26 a.m. New York time. So this is quite a perfect time for my setup to appear and provide a good signal for and also for the TP. Still expecting and waiting for the market to burst further down, and we got 4 more minutes. Oh, my entry got triggered. So I have to remove my stop loss just in case it fail. Almost break to this low. Still waiting for the market to go to burst down. 3 more minutes. Hopefully this candle will turn red. If green, it's not really good for this trendy entry for scalping. It take longer time at this moment. We did enter around 9:20. Now time is 9:28. Already few minutes. Far beyond our normal target, which is below 10 minutes. Should close, or maybe floating positive. So at this moment we are floating negative around 40 US dollar. You can see here. Now back to positive side. A few seconds for this candle to be finished. Okay, no good. Okay, it must turn red. Okay, next one. Waiting for it to burst down, and please don't do reversal. Okay, no good. Looks good. It burst down. Okay, we hit TP. Only one TP fee. One TP already failed. I think this one is 6002 because not filled is 6001. So I have to escape. Okay. Why one position got fill? One position got fill. We should fill both. So let's take a look. And now it goes further down. It's quite interesting. Hope you guys who follow my signal can exit the market now. It looks good. It was a quick 16 ticks, 160 US dollars. So let's take a look on the time. We did enter the first trade at 9:22 a.m. 9:26 is the second trade. And now we hit all the TP positions. I shouldn't escape it at stop loss, but it's a good trade. It was a good trade. So exit at 9:31. So overall, the first trade took around 9 minutes, and the second trade took about 5 minutes. So overall, 9 minutes in total. 9 minutes in total. Okay, it was a good one. Still market getting lower. I shouldn't escape at losses. One lot, this one, but the other one already profits. So 9 minutes in total for a quick 160 US dollar. It was so total today is around 330. So the market will reverse back. So 330 US dollar in profit. Because I didn't enter previously, and as you can see from so as I mentioned before, we do scalping over here, right? This yellow circle, and I'm still expecting for the market to go for the higher side at around 60 to 25. So this trade I will not take. I just do scalping for US session. If London session got a good signal, then I will revise again, because at this moment London should be at the end of the day. I think that's all for today. I think that's all for today. Uh, See you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye. There's also a link below in description. Feel free to click on it. It will direct to my live broadcast Telegram channel. And there is also a free trial for you guys to test my signal and to feel what I'm trading, feel the numbers, feel the eagerness of the trading, so spirit of trading. I think that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.